Do you want to know how to make a delicious crack cake like this?
Stick around, we'll show you how.
Okay, for this recipe, what you're going to need is 1 box of yellow cake mix, 3/4 cup of water, 1/4 cup of white sugar, 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 1 box of vanilla instant pudding, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, 4 eggs, 3/4 cup of cooking oil, and 1/2 cup of white wine. Alright, let's get it all blended up and put together, and we'll put it in the pan. Alright, we have all the ingredients in the bowl now, so now what we'll do is we'll just turn the mixer on and just let this mix. Get it all stirred up, and we'll be back. Now, whether mixing this by hand or with a mixer like this, be sure to mix it where there's no clumps in it. Everything's mixed good. And once that's done, it'll be ready to put in the pan. Alright, once you have it all mixed up, go ahead and put it in a pre-greased bundt pan. Go ahead and heat your oven up to 350 degrees. We're going to let this cook for 1 hour. We're going to do a little twist on things. Stick around. Yep, you're seeing this right. We're going to cook this cake on the grill. We got the pellet grill heated up to 350 degrees, so we're going to let it cook for 1 hour. Hey, this ain't nothing but a big old wood-fired oven anyhow. So let's see how this is going to turn out. Let's close it down and let it cook. Alright, and for the glaze, while the cake is cooking, we're going to go ahead and make the glaze for this. We're going to need 1 stick of butter, 1 cup of sugar, and 1/4 cup of the white wine. What we're going to do is heat it up in the saucepan, get it all mixed up and melted down good together, and we're going to pour it over that cake here in just a little bit. Alright, we got the butter, the sugar, and the wine all melted together for this glaze. So now all we got to do is wait for that cake to finish cooking. We're going to put us all together and have an awesome crack cake. We'll be back. Okay, stuck a toothpick in it. It came out clean. So I'm going to say this crack cake is ready to be eaten. Well, taken off the grill anyhow. We got to let it cool before we can eat it. Alright, so let's get it inside and pour the glaze all over it. Alright, we got it inside now, so we're going to poke holes all in it. Just everywhere. What we're doing this for, so that glaze can get down into the cake.
And it'll be better.
And Ashley said, and it'll be better.
And all of us get hot icing.
Alright. So now let's pour the glaze all into it. Junior.
They're trying to beat you.
Alright, now we got the glaze all in it. Now what we do now is just let it sit and cool. Pour it all on there. Boys are being kind of loud in there, playing their video games. Alright, all we can do now is just let it cool. That's the hard part. Be back in just a little bit. Alright, the crack cake is done, and these kids are just dying to dive into it and try it out. They've never had one before. So let's get it cut up and put on a plate, and let's see what these kids think about it. It looks moist. Y'all think it's going to be good?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now she's cutting small pieces. That just ain't fair, is it?
Because the rest is mine.
Alright, Michael. Try it out and see what you think.
No, you gotta wait. I'm gonna cook this fast.
Is it good? Alright, Junebug. What you got?
It tastes like apple cinnamon.
Apple cinnamon.
Hold his plate.
Is it good? You like it? Well, Tootie was licking the bowl with the battery in it, so.
It was good.
Was it good? Well, if Michael's still eating. Michael, you got another piece here in a minute, ain't you? What you two think in the middle? Is it good?
Delicious.
delicious.
All right. Y'all like it then? I did a good job?
Love it.
Do you like the way it's cooked on the grill? You can't taste the smoke though, can you? Yeah. All right.
Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any fun.
And if you like this video, leave a comment.
And hit that like button. See you next time.